Okay, guys, here we go. Thursday, March 2nd, 2020. And I wanted to show you the setup here. We're going to try to catch a long position on Micron, 1,000 share on margin long position. This is a 10-minute chart. Each candle is 10 minutes of price action. And we're on a cycle count now and coming down into our high pivot and 20 simple moving average on the 10-minute chart. And then we'll bounce over to the 2-minute chart. It'll look like this. And this gives us a reference of where we'll attempt to get in for a long position, obviously to the upside, but it'll be a pretty quick move. So I just wanted to show that first, kind of before price move, show what we're expecting and the potential outcome. So I'm going to pause it and then, not make you sit here and watch, because not for sure this will take, 2 more candles, 1 more candle or whatever to come down to this area. And then each candle is 10 minutes, so I'm not going to sit here and run the video for that long. So we'll get back to you when we get close, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay, guys, we're back. We had this last candle come down here into our zone. Didn't really hit as low. We got 1 more minute left on this candle. So we're going to go to the 2-minute chart and see if we get a bounce here. Got less than a minute. So on the next candle, if it's as soon as it pops green, we'll go there. Let me change this to a red, and I'm trying to pop it right over the well, let me keep it blue because it's red right now. Get a little bit of a contrast. We got about 20 something seconds here. So after the candle closes, we pop over the high of this candle, which is where the red dash line is, about 40.62. We'll try to take a long position like we covered before. And the reason being is that we've come down into this, both on the 10 and the 2-minute chart, into a potential, what am I thinking, support area here. We still have 9 minutes left on this candle. We just started it. It's hit right here. Let's go to the 2-minute and see. Okay, it's bouncing up off. I'll tell you what, if we get, okay, the top was right here. Let me take off the blue one. And if we surge over it, in other words, okay, we're in. Here we go. And let me replay this for you so you know kind of what we were looking for. We had a line that went across here, this high pivot area. And then also we had another factor, our 20 simple moving average. So that's why we got in where we did. And then also we had a cycle count here, that if you're a member of our Patreon service, you know what we're talking about. So we have 3 factors on our side. We will see how this plays out now. And we have about 8 minutes, 30 seconds left on this 10-minute candle. I'm not going to make you, suffer through that. So what we'll do is I'll put it on pause, and then we'll come back and see where we end up. Okay, we're coming back in. We have about 5 more minutes left in this candle before it closes, and we're still green, still to the upside. So we're just holding and waiting for the close of the candle. We might get a little bit of resistance when we come up to this. Let me turn that to blue. That was a low pivot. Came up, low pivot, then continued up. So we'll see if we hit any resistance there. Also, this candle here, on this side it was bought up. But on this side, it was sold off, two conflicting candle wicks, one on the bottom, one on the top. So if we get up here, we might take profits at that time. Still got 4 minutes left in this candle. So we'll we're into this area, expecting a little bit of a pullback. Okay, for right now, we will continue to watch it, but for my dollar, I'm going to go ahead and, well, I was going to say, if we come back through it, I'll take profits. Don't want to risk. Matter of fact, I might. If we come back through that blue dash line, I might go ahead and just get out there. Okay, we got about, well, a little more than 3 minutes left in this candle. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm going to get out. It's a done deal. We'll go ahead and take profits here and call it a day. Appreciate you playing along. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Now it might, quite honestly, we have a little over 2 minutes left, so it might pull back in here and then form another candle up to the upside again. But we're kind of in a down market right now, so I didn't want to push my luck on this trade here, especially as it's just a real quick day trade. And looks like we're pulling back a little bit. Might have got lucky and guessed right. Okay, well, thanks so much for being members, and we will see you on the charts.